Looking to streamline your procurement process? In this quick guide, we'll dive into how to use Monday.com for procurement management, and by the end, you'll know how to harness its features to optimize your procurement workflow. Stick around till the end, and I'll share some exclusive benefits, plus an amazing alternative that might better suit your needs. Let's jump in. First up, Monday.com's key strength is its highly customizable workflow. For procurement management, you can set up boards tailored to your needs, like managing supplier information, tracking purchase orders, and overseeing inventory. The drag and drop interface makes it super easy to organize and prioritize tasks in real time. Next, let's talk about automations. One of the biggest time wasters in procurement is manual follow-ups. With Monday.com, you can set up automations to notify team members when a purchase order is overdue, when a supplier needs to be contacted, or when a task is nearing its deadline. This ensures nothing falls through the cracks, especially when you're juggling multiple vendors. The third thing to highlight is the reporting functionality. Monday.com offers customizable dashboards where you can get a snapshot of your procurement process in one glance. You can track key metrics like total spend, on-time deliveries, or supplier performance. This helps in identifying any bottlenecks or areas where you could be more efficient, which is crucial for procurement management. Now, let's talk integrations. Monday.com integrates with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Excel, which is great if you're already using those in your procurement process. However, it's worth noting that while Monday.com has a ton of integrations, it can sometimes feel like there's a bit of a learning curve when setting them up. So, expect to spend some time configuring everything to work just right. The fifth thing is collaboration. Procurement often involves multiple departments. Monday.com's comment sections and file sharing options make it easy for different teams to work together, share documents, and stay on the same page. But keep in mind, the system might be overkill if you only have a small team, as its wide range of features might seem unnecessary. Lastly, let's touch on pricing. Monday.com offers several pricing tiers, so it can be a bit expensive depending on how many users you need. But if you have a larger procurement team or need the extra customization, it could be worth the investment. If you're a smaller team or just starting with procurement management, though, you might want to explore more budget-friendly options. Now, while Monday.com is a solid choice, I do want to share an alternative that might be even better for your procurement management needs. Mention Competitor offers a more streamlined experience for procurement processes, and it's often considered a better fit for smaller teams or those focused on efficiency without all the extra customization. That being said, we've got an exclusive extended free trial for Monday.com through our link, along with all the benefits you'd want. But before you decide, make sure to check out Competitor, which also offers a free trial. You'll find the best features to suit your procurement management needs. So, click the link in the description for the best free trial offer you can't get anywhere else.